Our smokers are some of the top in the country, no doubt about it.
We've been using Miller weld machines forever.
About 15 years ago, I had a big cooker that I cooked on, had a lot of flaws to it, and one day I said, man, let's build a cooker. I said, listen, I want to build a cooker. So I posted it online, and a guy in Birmingham, Alabama saw that smoker and said, can you build me one? I said, yeah, we'll build one. So we built one for him. Every cooker we built, I started posting pictures of, and within a few months, it exploded.
Every cooker that we build is tailored to each customer, which is, it doesn't really matter if it's a cooker or anything that we fabricate, it's going to be done to the absolute best of our ability.
What makes building a Shirley cooker? Man, it's the pride. It's the pride we take in it, the fact that we started with nothing.
I think it's just building something and looking back after you built it and you're like, I built that, like that's cool. I don't know, just taking pride in the work I do.
Sometimes I'll tell the guys that if you have to come up and ask me if it's okay, it's probably not okay. Anything when you're welding, doesn't matter if it's stainless, carbon, aluminum, your prep work is your finished product.
One thing we're known for is for our really clean, slick welds. Naturally, you want your product to be good and work right, but aesthetically, you want it to look good. And I'll tell you this, Miller Welding has been a big part of that. You see around our shop, you're gonna see blue welders around here.
You know, I've been using it for 20 years, and they've always been awesome. It's as smooth as it gets.
They gave us a powerful XMT 400. I'm telling you, you can MIG, stick, TIG with it, anything you want to do. It's an excellent machine, and you would not believe the processes and what we do with it.
I was like, wow, they gave us a nice one. I was like, I'm not used to having something like this. But yeah, I mean, I love it. It's done great.
I've heard customers say time and time again, fit and finish, that ours are some of the top, if not the top in the country. And I'm telling you, the welding machine makes a huge difference. It makes a big difference. And again, we use Miller. It's just what we use.